Hello everyone, I am Karthik Vidamalli. I am here to take you all through the CVA contribution that I have made to my client, and I automated and saved 80 hours per year for the customer. And my CVA is all about GFIS data feeds. GFIS is a portfolio which stands for Global Financial Information System. And there are GFIS data feed jobs that are run on a daily basis. On one hand, we have an application server where we have the folder structure that has been built, where we actually receive the data feeds from the GFIS team. So there is an out folder that has been created where we receive the actual data, and we monitor the processing of these feeds in the SQL environment. So we receive all the files in the out folder. So we have three phases which are SFTP, bulk load and import to live stages, where we monitor the status of the data feed processing. So the first stage is SFTP, which is a secure file transfer protocol. So in this stage we receive the configuration file for the data feed for all the files. So the moment we receive the configuration file, the process will start, and that configuration file will be most of the time the last file to be received. So once we receive the configuration file, later 30 minutes later the process starts. So here basically nothing really happens. So in the second stage of bulk load, once this bulk load starts, the processing of all the feeds in the out folder starts. And the moment each of the files is processed, it will be archived and sent into the archive folder, out archive folder. So all the files that are processed in the bulk load process are being sent to the staging database, and we monitor this in the SQL environment. So after this, bulk load process is completed for each of the 26 countries as I was referring to. The data in the staging database will be processed in the import to live stage, which is the final stage. So in the import to live, all the data get processed, and all the data that is being stored in the staging database will be sent to the respective database. So ideally, the problem that occurs here is there are some files that we receive and that get unprocessed, that remain unprocessed at the end of the day. So for which what we used to do is we used to go into all the 26 folders I was referring for 26 countries and identify what all pending files are found, and try to process them manually. So with the automation that we have done, we've created a batch file wherein we have all the 26 country bulk load process set up in that particular batch file, and the moment we run that particular batch file, all the process gets run, with which we are able to save 20 minutes of our time on a daily basis. So the real time, if you see the amount of time that is saved is 20 minutes per day, and if you see the same for per week, per month, and 80 hours per year. Thank you, and I am a proud Hexavarian.